How you doing, my guys? Welcome to another episode. In this episode I have a new installation for the 2019 RAV4. This is for the 2019 and 2020 Toyota RAV4. You guys know that on the back visibility at night is very limited because it's only one light. That's the only light you have on these trucks. We're gonna fix that. Shout out to Cartrimhome, the same company that sponsored the episode with the folding and unfolding automatic mirrors. They are the ones that sponsored this episode, and they sent me everything with new LEDs on the back. So like that we're gonna have better visibility at night because it's really limited in here. So this is the new lights. They're gonna replace the covers. They're gonna replace these covers, one on that side and that one right there. This is not a very difficult installation. The only thing that we need to know is how to put the wires through, and I think it's on these grommets we gotta put the wires through. We got the fuse in here. This is gonna be connected in here, and the other one is gonna be connected to the stack connector. Then we gotta put these ones through here all the way to the top. Once we put these lights on top, we gotta put these wires, and these two they're gonna be connected to the lights. And this end right here is gonna be connected to this end. This is gonna be connected in here with these two wires. It's coming with the kit, and that's all. So okay, to put the cables, I'm gonna pull on this panel right here. I think it has few pins in there, so I'm not gonna put it all the way. I'm just gonna open it a little bit. Yeah, it has two blue pins in here. It's only two of these blue tabs. Just pull it a little bit, not too much. From right here. Now you have enough access. I think I can put my cable through. I have the cables on the other side. Don't pull too much on this liner because you're gonna damage the pins underneath. Okay, I had the cables on this one. That's what we needed. If you see, it's all the way here from this little cutout from the grommet. Now when I attach my cables there, just pull them through. I put electrical tape. I tape the end. I put the connector. Now we match red on the right, white on the left. installation is done. I put zip ties to have it just right there. All my cable is gonna go in here inside, and on this one I'm gonna put some zip ties in here without messing with the trim. Once I complete that, gotta go down here to my connections to finish this. This is the stock connector. It's gonna go to the new wire harness. And this one from the wire harness to the stock light. We have new lights. These lights, they have like a sensor in the middle. You just press on it really light. It's not even a button, it's just like a sensor. Now let's see the illumination to the outside. Wow. Look how much light we have in the floor and inside the truck. Those lights are amazing. Shout out to Cartrimhome for sending me these lights. I'm gonna put the link in the description forum if you wanna get them for your 2019 and 2020 RAV4. Look the lighting. It's really good now. Okay guys, I'll leave you with that. The only problem that you're gonna face is putting the cable through here. Once you get that done, everything else is really simple. Just connections and put zip ties on all the wires. I hope you like this little episode guys. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please comment down below. I'm gonna be happy to help. Thanks for watching guys, and don't forget to subscribe and see you on the next one. Peace.